Catalog Overview. Organizations can use the AWS Service Catalog to create and manage catalogs of IT services that are approved by Amazon Web Services. These IT services can include everything from virtual machine images, servers, software, databases, and more, to complete multi-tier application architectures. With AWS Service Catalog, organizations can centrally manage commonly deployed IT services, which helps them achieve consistent governance and meet compliance requirements. First, let's understand some key concepts. What is a product? And what is a portfolio in AWS Service Catalog? A product is an IT service that is available for deployment on AWS. A product consists of one or more AWS resources. A portfolio is a collection of products that contain configuration information. Portfolios help manage who can use specific products and how they can use them. AWS Service Catalog supports two types of users: catalog administrators and end users. Catalog administrators manage a catalog of products, such as applications and services. Administrators organize products into portfolios, set constraints, and grant access to end users. End users are the users who receive AWS credentials from their IT department or manager. Then, end users can access and use the AWS Management Console to launch or deploy products to which they have been granted access. Now, let's go through some of the key benefits. Standardization. You can use AWS Service Catalog to administer and manage approved assets by restricting where the product can be launched, the type of instance that can be used, and many other configuration options. As a result, you can standardize product provisioning for your entire organization. Self-service discovery and launch. End users can browse the listings of products available for them, locate the products they want to use, and launch it all on their own as a provisioned product. Fine-grained access control. AWS Service Catalog administrators assemble portfolios of products from their catalog, add constraints and resource tags to be used at provisioning. Then, catalog administrators grant access to the portfolio through AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM users and groups. Extensibility and version control. AWS Service Catalog administrators can add a product to any number of portfolios and restrict it without creating another copy. Updating the product to a new version propagates the update to all products in every portfolio that references it.